This is Mark from Team How To, and we're teaching the masses how to.
Hi guys, it's Sean with Team How To. About a month ago, Mark had created a video that showed you how to remove backgrounds from an image, and he used Photoshop. The problem with Photoshop is it's bulky, it's heavy on your computer, takes up a ton of resources, and one of those resources is money. And if you're like me, you don't have a lot of money to throw at Photoshop. So I'm going to show you a tool that I use when I need to remove a background, and it doesn't cost nearly as much, and it's very, very quick. So let's get to it. Okay guys, the tool we're going to use is called Clipping Magic. It's super simple to use. If you come over here to the examples, you've got picture. You just draw a green line, okay, and a red line for the stuff that you want to get rid of. Boom. It creates a clear background. You can do it with just any image you can think of. In here, you're going to use a little bit more precise tool, but for the most part, boom, green on the part you want to keep, red on the part that you want to get rid of. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this stuff in the actual tool. Red to get rid of. See, you put a line through all three parts of the colors that you want to get rid of. You come in here, you got a lot of background that looks the same, so you want to use a little bit more precise. Green, red, boom, boom, boom. They also have a lot of tutorials. Shows you the scalpel tools, that yellow one that shows you how to get a little bit more precise. We are going to do the same two images that Mark did, and what I really like about this is they are a drag and drop. You just take it, drop your image in, you come over here, you got your original image, you've got your results over here. All by itself, without me doing anything, it already removed that white background for the most part. There's a few issues. We got the hand issues, but let me show you how easy that is to fix. Okay, so we have the red up here. We don't even need to use the red. It did such a good job on it. But if you were using the red, the first thing you do, come up here and say, yeah, remove this white. Okay, so now we're going to fix the hands. See over here, we got the, it's see-through. We need to make it white. Same thing with the finger. Boom, it's fixed. Over here, we got a little bit of double. We just want that to be a single line, not the yellow. And then, of course, the issue with the hand. Okay, so the reason it removed the hand is because it's the same color as this. So since it saw that as that color, it made that transparent. We just fixed it by saying, no, we want that to show with the green. Okay, so you're done. That was pretty quick. There's other things you can do with this image. You can crop it, make it any size you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the colors of the background. If you didn't want it clear, if you wanted a red background, you could do that. Shadows are pretty cool. You can just one click, there's a drop shadow. Reflection, you got his shoes down here. You can cast a shadow. Move these, just move these to move the shadow. Looks a little bit more realistic. And then that's it for that one. And we're going to do the next one. This one's a little bit more difficult because you got hair. Dealing with hair, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. But once again, you'll see it took care of the background for us. So we would just put a red line. It already did it. And then we come up here, we're going to use the hairbrush, and we're just going to see here how it has a hair that comes over, but on this one it doesn't. So we're going to fix that simply by doing that, and boom, there it is. Over here, it looks like it did a good job. Yeah, it's all good. So that's it. That's all you have to do to remove the background. Super, super simple. It's a great tool. Alright, so what's this bad boy cost? It's really not that bad. You don't have a huge program that you're going to have to install on your computer. This is all cloud-based. If you're barely going to use it, costs you $4 a month for 15 credits. You can cancel anytime. Your credits roll over, so it's not that big a deal if you don't use it for a couple months and then you use it later on. I would go with the standard, and it's basically 8 cents an image. This comes out to be like 26 cents an image, maybe 28 cents an image, something like that. This brings it down to 8 cents. If you come over here, this will bring it down to 4 cents. If I went with one of these two programs, I would probably set up a Fiverr gig, and these people are selling this service all day long. Here's 206 sales, 53 sales. They're new, 2 sales, 59 sales, 88 sales, 1 sale, 189 sales. You come in here, look, they got 2 orders in the queue. It means there's 2 people waiting for orders. And, you know, you make, let's say you make an extra $50 a month, you know, it's not bad. Just come over here to Fiverr, sign up, be a seller. I don't think you'll make a living off of that, but it's a way to turn an expense into an income stream. Okay guys, this was Clipping Magic, and it's a great tool. It's not anything that we get paid to share with you. There's no affiliate program, so it's just a tool that I think is really cool and simple to use, and I hope you found value in it. Let me know which tool you prefer, Clipping Magic or Photoshop, so Mark and I can settle this battle once and for all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?